The cricket dream of Vaibhav Suryawanshi. Vaibhav Suryawanshi was a simple boy from a small village in India. He lived with his parents and younger sister. His father was a farmer, and his mother worked at home. Vaibhav's family was not rich, but they were happy. From a very young age, Vaibhav loved playing cricket. He used to play with a wooden stick and a rubber ball. His friends called him champion because he always played well. He would play in the field after school, even if it was hot or raining. His father noticed his love for cricket. One day, his father said, "Vaibhav, if you study well and help me in the field, I will buy you a real bat." Vaibhav was very happy. He started studying harder and helping his father every morning. After 3 months, his father gave him a new bat. It was the best day of his life. Vaibhav started playing better with the new bat. He joined the school cricket team. In every match, he scored many runs. Soon, people in the village started talking about him. "This boy will become a big cricketer one day," they said. One day, a big cricket coach came to their village to watch a local tournament. Vaibhav's team was playing in the final. Vaibhav scored a century, 100 runs without getting out. The coach was very impressed. After the match, he called Vaibhav and said, "You have great talent. Would you like to train in the city?" Vaibhav was shocked. He had never been to the city before. But his father said, "This is your chance. Go and follow your dream." Vaibhav hugged his parents and promised to make them proud. In the city, life was very different. The buildings were tall, the roads were full of cars, and everything was fast. Vaibhav stayed in a hostel with other young cricketers. The training was hard. He had to wake up at 5 a.m., run for miles, practice for hours, and attend school in the evening. Sometimes he missed home and his family. But he never gave up. Months passed, and Vaibhav became stronger, faster, and better. He played in many school tournaments and always did well. Soon, he was selected for the state under-16 cricket team. It was a proud moment. He called his father and said, "Papa, I am playing for the state team." His father cried tears of joy. In the state tournament, Vaibhav hit many runs and even took some wickets. A news article was written about him. "Village boy shines in state cricket." People back in his village cut out the article and stuck it on their walls. Then came his biggest moment. He was selected for the India under-19 team. He got to wear the Indian jersey, with his name written on the back. He traveled to South Africa for a Youth World Cup. In the final match, India needed 20 runs from 10 balls. Vaibhav was batting. He kept calm and hit 2 sixes and 2 fours. India won, and he was the hero. When he returned, there was a big celebration in his village. People danced, sang, and put flowers around his neck. His father lifted him on his shoulders and said, "You did it, my son." Later, Vaibhav got a call from a big IPL team. He was bought for a big amount of money. He could not believe it. Now, he could take care of his family, build a new house, and help the village school too. In his first IPL match, he was nervous. The stadium was full of people, and the lights were bright. But when he hit his first six, the crowd shouted his name, Vaibhav. Vaibhav. From that day, he became a star. He played with great cricketers and learned from them. He never forgot where he came from. Every year, he visited his village, met the children, and told them, "Work hard and never give up. Dreams do come true." Vaibhav Suryawanshi's journey from a village boy to a cricket star became an inspiration to many. His story showed that with hard work, support from family, and belief in yourself, anything is possible.